A migratory seagull fitted with a GPS device marked Made in China was found on Karwar beach. For a few hours, curiosity turned into suspicion. Was this a flying spy? A strange sight on a Karnataka beach triggered a storm of speculation. A migratory seagull fitted with a GPS device marked Made in China was found on Karwar beach. For a few hours, curiosity turned into suspicion. Was this a flying spy? Was it surveillance? Especially because one of India's most sensitive naval bases, INS Kadamba, is located nearby. Locals noticed the exhausted bird struggling on the sand. The unusual device strapped to its body raised alarm. Forest Department officials were alerted immediately. The seagull was rescued and taken for examination. It had minor injuries and showed signs of fatigue after a long journey. Soon after, officials stepped in to clear the air. The device was not a spy camera. It was a GPS tracker, a standard tool used in wildlife research. Authorities confirmed that the bird was part of a scientific migration study. There was no surveillance angle, no security breach. Forest officials contacted the Wildlife and Nature Protection Society of Sri Lanka. The organization confirmed that it had tagged the seagull as part of a long-term study on migratory patterns. The tracker, though manufactured in China, is commonly used across the world for such research. It contains no camera, only location data. Data retrieved from the tracker revealed an extraordinary journey. The seagull had flown more than 10,000 kilometers. Its route included Arctic regions before reaching India's western coast. The bird had simply reached the end of a long, exhausting migration. After the GPS tracker was safely removed, the bird was shifted to the Forest Department office for care. Officials said the seagull will be released once it recovers fully. Authorities have now issued a clear message: do not jump to conclusions. GPS tagging is a routine global practice in wildlife conservation. It helps scientists understand migration, climate impact, and habitat changes.